What's going YouTube? So today I am moving out of my Morehouse James dorm. That's my roommate. Because we don't have air, like that's a health hazard. So I'm in this other dorm. Ashanti, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock in the morning. And we're going to get all my stuff out that dorm and putting it in this dorm. And this dorm is so nice. We gotta show y'all when we get back. We don't have an elevator in Morehouse James. We don't even have air.
Yeah.
Doubt they did it because I text them all the way to the It works.
So, Anaya, how does it feel? Yeah.
Yo, the sprinklers are on. Bro, only
How are we gonna
us.
get
How
to
are we
our
gonna get to the
dorm?
dorm? Okay, maybe we can go around. Cause I just got wet.
It's going from that way too.
Other people in Manly?
Yeah. I don't think the building closed, but I think the stuff inside of it closed.
We could have been sleeping.
Sleep over at Millie.
Go for the camera.
Ooh. Oh my god, I almost fell. This is the old dorm. Look how much better the other one looks.
Right. Compare and contrast. I just feel like I just came from pure fresh air. Maybe we're gonna have some. Welcome to Mi Casa. Mi old casa.
Yeah. What else? How is she gonna put stuff in there?
Oh, I could put it maybe at the bottom. Take this out and put it at the bottom.
Yes.
I have to come back to the printer and stuff. I ain't gonna care. Literally, the dorm hall tour is going up on Saturday. It'll be like, dang girl, did you just move in?
I probably just go to sleep at 2.
Okay.
Following Thursday.
What's going YouTube? Alright, today we are about to attempt twists. Like, I don't know how big they gonna be. Y'all just really gonna have to see how they turn out, because this is my first time doing it and Lord knows how this gonna look. So we finna trial and error. It's currently 1:06 a.m. I don't know why I decided to do stuff late at night, but I think best. So we got the little setup here. I gotta fill that up with hair, and we're gonna go from there. So first thing I'm gonna do is part my hair This is my first time trying this, so we're gonna see how this works. Hopefully that's enough. If not, I have some other stuff I usually use. I haven't did my own hair in so long, and I really don't know how big I want these to be. And I can't see the back of my head, so Lord be with me. I dropped my braid, bro. Oh my god. It's gonna be so serious. So I have attempted to separate this hair, but it's not looking too good. Ain't gonna cap. At this point, I just knew that it's not gonna work out. Yeah, this is not working. Like, it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Yo, I really had this shit face, cause like, damn, this shit was not working out. At this point, I was just sitting there trying to figure out what was the next move, cause this was not working. Yeah, I was sad as hell. Okay, y'all, so change of plans. I'm gonna do 2 long braid ponytails, cause them twists just wasn't working out. So to achieve this look, I use 72 full length hair. I'm a color 1B. You can get it from the detail store. It says shaking on the back, but it looks like this. I use 1 pack for 1 braid to give you a reference. I separate the hair into sections. So like this whole thing, and like half of this will be the starting out with my braid. And then as I go on, I just add little strips. So I start by combing out my ponytail. I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna test it, see if it's as big as this one. That's gonna be thin. I'm going to add some hair. I just added like another bundle. This is 2 bundles of hair. Just start by wrapping this around my ponytail holder. And I'm gonna start braiding. So I don't like how this is like bulging out. And we're gonna try this again and make sure all the hair is leveled out. I think this is bigger than the other one. So now I have to take some hair out. This is really trial and error. So if you don't like it, take it out, do it again. Cause I do that all the time. Whew, this braid is heavy. I'm about to add some hair in cause my hair is gonna run out. I'm just taking this half a bundle that I put to the side and adding it in. I'm adding it in unevenly because if I don't, it's gonna be way longer than what I need it to be. I am not a professional, so don't judge. I add hair to make sure that my braid is consistent. This weave gets knotty, so try not to give up, but this stuff is very coarse. So yeah, this is a finished product. I have to dip my ends and like do my edges and all that. Yeah, really be the aftermath of doing hair. Stuff just be everywhere. Y'all, that is the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend to come be lit with us. I love y'all. Once again, thanks for 200 subs. That's huge. We out.